welcome. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw soften. Let your breath guide you inward. Inhale deeply, hold for a moment. Exhale slowly. Let go of the tension. Let go of the noise. This is your space. This is your time. You are safe here. Bring your attention to your breath. Feel the air enter your body. Cool, calm, steady. Feel it leave. Warm, relaxed, releasing with each breath. Imagine a soft light filling your chest. This light carries peace, clarity, and strength. Let it expand with every inhale. Let it ground you with every exhale. You are capable. You are worthy. You are building a life that reflects your values. Repeat silently after me. I trust myself. I am creating stability. I am open to abundance. Let these words settle into your body. Let them become part of your rhythm. Now take one more deep breath in. And slowly release. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this calm with you. You are aligned. You are